Protect your investment from rain, snow, and UV damage with durable covers made for all seasons. The best generator cover keeps your power source clean, dry, and ready to perform when you need it most, ensuring long-lasting reliability and protection outdoors. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. GenArmor Generator Cover. The GenArmor generator cover is an outstanding innovation for anyone looking to protect their portable generator from the elements. Engineered with 100% waterproof protection, it allows users to safely operate their generator outdoors regardless of the weather. Whether it's pouring rain, heavy snow, or strong winds, this cover ensures that your generator stays dry and functional. The robust integrated design is one of its best features. GenArmor has used a unique bolted frame and fabric connection that forms a sturdy one-piece unit, preventing the cover from collapsing or being displaced by high winds. It provides easy access to the fuel tank and power panel, allowing you to refuel and maintain your generator without removing the cover. This ensures smooth operation during power outages or outdoor projects. Its universal compatibility supports most generators ranging from 4,000 watt to 13,000 watt, offering flexibility for various models. Whether you're using it for home backup, camping, or worksite use, the GenArmor generator cover offers dependable performance, durability, and ease of use, making it one of the most reliable choices for year-round generator protection. Number 2. IGAN Waterproof Generator Cover. The IGAN Waterproof Generator Cover provides exceptional weatherproof protection designed for long-lasting use. This high-quality cover allows your generator to run safely outdoors through rain, snow, and even high winds, ensuring complete reliability in all conditions. It features a patented design that offers full protection to all sensitive components while maintaining proper ventilation for safe operation. The cover is constructed from a premium-grade waterproof tarp that weighs around 9 pounds, ensuring a durable barrier against moisture, dust, and debris. Assembly is simple and fast, making it convenient for both residential and professional users. Its dual-purpose design works for both running and storage, giving you year-round peace of mind. The universal fit supports most generators between 3,500 W and 12,000 W, whether they feature a tubular or square frame. Compact and easy to store, it's ideal for those who need portability without sacrificing performance. The IGAN waterproof generator cover also includes a 3-year limited warranty, reflecting the brand's confidence in its build quality and durability. It's an excellent investment for homeowners, campers, or contractors who need reliable generator protection that can withstand the toughest weather conditions without fail. Number 3. GenArmor Generator Cover. The GenArmor generator cover stands as a dependable option for anyone who regularly operates their generator outdoors. With its 100% waterproof protection, it ensures that your generator remains operational even during severe weather like rain, snow, or sleet. The cover's construction combines heavy-duty tarpaulin with a reinforced metal frame, a patented design that provides superior durability and stability. This robust setup protects the generator from moisture and wind while maintaining its shape and strength. A user-friendly feature of this model is its flip-top design, allowing for quick refueling and effortless maintenance without needing to remove the entire cover. Additionally, access to the power panel is simple, enabling smooth control and monitoring during operation. The cover maintains proper airflow to prevent overheating, ensuring safe and efficient generator performance. Designed to fit most portable generators from 4,000 W to 13,000 W, it offers compatibility across a wide range of brands. Its weatherproof and sturdy design makes it an excellent choice for both residential and outdoor applications, including camping, emergency use, and construction. With its solid build, easy access features, and universal fit, the GenArmor generator cover offers a great balance between practicality, strength, and convenience, making it an ideal solution for anyone needing reliable generator protection. Number 4. GenTent Enclosure Generator Cover. The GenTent Enclosure Generator Cover is designed to provide secure and efficient protection for portable generators, ensuring they can be safely operated outdoors in all types of weather. Whether facing rain, snow, sleet, or high winds, this waterproof enclosure effectively shields sensitive electrical components while maintaining full generator functionality. The cover's intelligent design channels water away from the unit, preventing short circuits or corrosion. A large access door makes refueling quick and convenient without the need to remove the cover, while the patented ventilation system maintains natural airflow to prevent overheating and ensure optimal performance. The GenTent enclosure fits open-frame generators with perimeters ranging from 76 to 104 inches, offering versatility for various models and brands. Its robust yet lightweight frame structure ensures stability even under heavy wind pressure, while remaining easy to assemble and disassemble. Perfect for homeowners, contractors, or outdoor enthusiasts, this generator cover is ideal for extended power outages or outdoor job sites where reliable performance is critical. Built to last, it combines water resistance, ventilation, and easy access into one practical package. The GenTent Enclosure Generator Cover is a trusted solution for protecting your generator year-round while maintaining safe and consistent power supply in any weather. Number 5. IGAN Generator Cover. The IGAN generator cover is built for superior outdoor protection, offering a perfect blend of durability, stability, and functionality. This heavy-duty cover allows you to operate your generator safely even in extreme conditions like heavy rain, snow, or strong wind. Constructed from premium waterproof tarp material weighing about 9 pounds, it provides complete moisture resistance, keeping your generator's electrical components safe and dry. Its frame is made from rugged 5/8-inch stainless steel tubing, ensuring excellent stability and long-lasting performance. The patented design makes it easy to assemble, requiring minimal tools and effort, while still offering a secure and reliable fit. The cover's design supports safe airflow, ensuring the generator doesn't overheat during extended operation. Versatile and convenient, it fits most generator models, ranging between 3,500 W and 12,000 W. When not in use, the cover can easily double as a protective storage enclosure, keeping the generator safe from dust and UV exposure. Lightweight yet tough, it's suitable for both home and professional use. This cover's combination of strength, adaptability, and weather resistance makes it an excellent investment for anyone who relies on portable power equipment. The IGAN generator cover provides year-round protection, extending the life of your generator while delivering consistent performance in all environments. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.